Welcome to New Lesson today, guys. Today's video is going to be very interesting. In this video, I will show you how you can fill the blank cell according to your requirement. Alright. And to make you understand this in a very easy way, I have created two example of sheet. I have created two sheets for this. You can see there, this is the one sheet and there is one more sheet so that you can better understand what I'm trying to teach you today. This is the second one. Can do it very easily. You can see here, this is the data where I have taken some name. These are the I have mentioned present, those who are present for the present, and there are some blank cell, and then blank cells are needed to be filled with absent A. Alright, I'll show you how you can do it. This type of attendance sheet is made for companies and school as well, and I'll show you how you can fill A in all the blank cells. A stands for absent very easily, because if you start typing manually A, then it will take a lot of time. What if you have a big data, you have 1000 employees, how will you be able to fill absent for all of them in one go? This is not possible manually. It will take a lot of time. I'll show you how you can do this very easily with the help of few steps. No matter how big your data is, you have 1000 employees or 1 lakh employees, you can simply easily fill these blank cells with any detail you want. But here we need absent only, so we will be replacing blank cell with A. And one more thing also you can do, I just not want only A to be replaced with all the blank cell. Also, I want that A to be colored with red. It should be colored with red. You can customize the color, red, black, blue, whatever you want. Mostly we have seen that for absent we use red, and for present green. Also customize the color. So what should be the first step to perform this task? The first step should be, we have to select the data. So this is the data. I'm selecting all the data for this sheet. You can select entire data, but I'm selecting from here because blank cells starts from this data, and I'm selecting till 20. Alright, you can make a data according to your requirement as big as you want. This should be our first step. I have selected the data. Now what you will do, I'll show you. I have a short data. I have just made this small data so that you can understand it. I did not make a very big data, but even if you have a big data, you can apply this formula. First, our data is already selected, so first you have to select blank cells. So to select blank cell, what do we need to do? There is a simple shortcut key, F5. Let me tell you one more thing. If you are working, if you have laptop and in your laptop is having Fn key, then you need to press Fn then F5. Only then you will be getting this dialog box. Otherwise, if you have a desktop, then desktop we do not require Fn key, because to function these keys, F1, F2, F3, F4 till F5, 6, 7 till 12, we need to use the Fn key. If your laptop is having Fn, then you will be using Fn key to start any command for this special command function key. To use, what we will do next, click on spatial. I have clicked on spatial. Here you can see blank, so just select the blank cells. Alright, I have selected the blank cells. So now you can see all the blank cells are selected. It is selected. Do not click anywhere. If you click, then it will get unselected. So you do not need to click, just it is selected. Now see what I'll do. And if you feel any, if you forget what I have pressed, for your understanding, I have also written it below the sheet, the shortcut key F5 for laptop, and if you have desktop, then you can directly press F5. Alright, now see what I do next. So to type A, what do we need to do? Just simply, it is already selected, blank cells are selected. I am just directly pressing A. You can see number 2, cell 2 is our cursor is in cell 2, so I am simply writing A. I have simply typed A over here. So what I'll do next, so that all the blank cells will be filled with A, will be replaced with A letter, A. Alright, so see, the shortcut key is Control Enter. I have mentioned below the sheet, so let me see it works or not. Control, then Enter. Now see what happened. I just simply pressed Control Enter. It has replaced all the blank cell with A. So this is how you can fill the blank cell with any data, I mean any character you want. If you have to replace with some other, then you can type that character also. So now what requirement I had also along with A, I wanted this absent to be filled with red color as well. So do not click anywhere because our data is already selected. Just simply do one thing, go to this color bar. You have seen this, you see this color bar, this is the color option. Here you can select for to color the cell. So I need all my selected absent blank cells that is already changed with replaced with blank cells replaced with A, and A is selected, all the A is selected. So now I will simply select red from here. Now you can see all the absent has been changed with red color. Earlier it was white. Now click anywhere outside the sheet, so your data is ready. Now just save this data, and this is very easy. This is ready, so you can customize according to your requirement. You can fill some other color as well. You have so many color options over there. So this is how you can fill the blank cells. I have taken one more example to clear this more. So let's go to the sheet 2. So this is the sheet 2. In this data you can see I have taken company name and employee names. I want company name along with the employee for all the employees. Alright, so this is one simple way how we can do. Simply drag this. So here you can do it very simply by dragging this. But imagine what if you have, and I want this for everyone, but for Microsoft also you will be using this with the help of mouse. When you hover here you get a plus sign, then just simply drag down. So you can see now you have a company name along with the employee name as well. So what if you have a big data, 1 lakh data? Are we going to perform the same? No, we have to have some kind of shortcut key through which we can apply this without doing manually. Here what are we doing? We are doing manually. For this we have formula, blank cell formula. What I'll do here, I'll do the same I'll perform the same task what we did in the previous data. So see, I have selected this data where we have blank cells. Now what we did in last data, Fn then F5, press Fn then F5, will go to spatial, then we'll select the blanks. Okay, now our blank cells are selected. Now blank cells are already selected. So in the what we will do here, we'll type equal to sign, then this select del, and the same shortcut key Control enter. Now you can see what magic has happened. Now all the company name has been changed. No matter how big you have data, you can change all the blank cells like this if you have different name in between the data. Like we had different names here, but what happened, we selected the formula equal to type, we used formula equal to, then selected one company, so this formula applied for all. So what it did, where it got the same formula here, different company name, so it applied for the different name as well. So with the help of this formula, this Dell got changed till here. Next data, he got from here Microsoft different company name, so it changed different company name also. And after Microsoft, it got this formula got Flipkart, it got changed Flipkart as well, it changed Flipkart as well. In the same way, it will keep changing all the company names, all the data if you have such data to fill. But there is a problem with this data, because this data is having formula. Let's see what happens if I delete one Dell. Let me see. Now see what happened. All the data having Dell got deleted because we had applied formula over here. If I delete one Microsoft, then it will delete all the Microsoft. So this will be issue for our data. So we have to resolve this issue. We have to remove the formula with this data. We have to remove the formula from this data. Let me show you that how we can do this. So how we can remove the formula from this data? Let me show you. First, what we will do, we'll select the data where to remove the formula, we need to select the data to remove the formula, we need to select the data where we have applied formula. So this is the data where we have applied formula. First you need to select the data, then right click, copy. So we have copied the data. Again you will right click, you'll go to spatial paste spatial. Here what you will select, formula is applied with this data, so we will select only value. So this will do, this will only take the value and remove the formula. So we have clicked on value and OK. Now you can see all the formula is removed. Let me show you. Now let me delete one. See, nothing happened. Just one data is deleted because there is no formula in this data anymore. I have used Ctrl Z to get back what we had deleted. So this is how we can use blank cell function. You can see how easily we could able to fill all the blank cell according to our requirement. So you learned today how we can fill the blank cells according to our requirement. We have learned different scenarios of blank cells. I hope you learned something with this video. If you like this video, if you learned something with this video, if you think this video was worth watching, do like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a good day.